Hey y'all, it's me, your girl T. I'm back again with another video. Welcome to my combo channel. Yes, said combo, which means my channel is a combination of two things that I love to do, and that is doing hair and dancing. Yes, those are the two things I'd like to do. This is my client, and these are some before and after pictures of her hair. Unfortunately, due to severe chemical burns to my client's hair. She suffered from hair loss. But that's okay if you've had some hair loss. This is some pictures of my client's completed style. She has a full sew-in weave with a 4x4 lace closure. So yes, we are about to get started and show you how this style was accomplished. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Again, this is T's Braids and Weaves, and this is T. Alrighty, y'all, the braid pattern is just about complete. I will be sewing a weaving net onto her hair before I start installing the actual weave hair. This hair also comes with a nape piece. I am also using this Blue Magic Super Pro. It has shea butter and cocoa butter mixed. I am now applying the net, and I will sew the net down onto her braid pattern, and then I'll begin sewing on and installing the actual 4x4 and then the hair. So stay tuned. Okay, I am installing the nape piece. This nape piece came with the hair that my client purchased, the timeless hair. The nape piece is installed just before the neck or the hairline. And the nape piece also has some baby hairs so that you can pull it up into a natural ponytail. I will show you exactly what those baby hairs and what the ponytail looks like in just a moment. After I do the nape for lace closure, I have attached the 2-inch elastic straps because we will be using the elastic strap method to install her 4x4. I am going to now cut the lace, extra lace off of the front so that I can fit it to her hairline. It will be customized so that it will lay flat as possible and that it will blend in with her natural hairline. Again, we will be using the elastic straps method so that I can sew the hair onto her net. The actual straps will be sewn onto the weaving net that I used. And yes, in my opinion, this is the best and the perfect method for your 4x4 to make sure that it lays flat as possible. So here you will see me sewing the elastic strap onto the weave net after lining it up with her natural hairline. We are almost done. This style is
Let
almost complete, but first we
it.
have to do what?
Let it.
Yes, lay these baby hairs
Let
down.
me try.
So these are the baby hairs from that 4x4 lace closure that I just installed on my client. So I am now laying these baby
But if I
hairs.
go to
I am so
where I'm
sorry I
at, back in
forgot
the
to
back and
show
stuff, where you
the
pay,
actual edge control that I am
she probably
using.
gonna
I
look
am
at
using the olive oil edge control. It seems to work the best for me. It doesn't flake. It doesn't get caked up.
okay,
It's
now you can
actually
let it
pretty
away.
light and it dries really well. So these are some completed pictures of my client's hair. Yes, it came out really nice. She's happy, another happy client, and I'm happy as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Tees, Braids, and Weaves. Please comment, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe.